Hey y'all, hey. Been a minute, ain't it? Couple days, ain't it? Quick video, something I did last night. It's just some old Argo laundry. I think it's burnt. I had it in there for, I think a total of 6 minutes. But it should have been more like 5. It's, it stunk up the place for a minute. Nothing a little Febreze couldn't help. Oh, and before I show y'all that, for all y'all Chestnut Hill lovers, I picked up some. I'm gonna do something with that one day this week. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I thought I was back recording and I wasn't. So anyway, you can sit over there with them papers right there. Then one day this week, I'm gonna come to y'all with that Love and Stars challenge. That's seeking you guess your cornstarches. I'm gonna use my mama since she's the only willing participant because she actually partakes in the cornstarch eating. She ain't at the point where I'm at. She just started. How long you been eating starch, Mom? About 5 years now?
About 5 ago.
But what I say when I said she ain't at the point where I am, where I'm spitting and she ain't. When she eats it. Anyway, I ain't gonna even put y'all in her beating today. We'll say that for some other time. But yeah, the bag. If nothing else, the bag is burnt at the top. So we'll see. Yeah, well, you could just leave it. We'll pull it back out. I just asked you. Thank you. I mean, I just told you. It don't matter. Your mouth. Those are your snacks. Eat them. Just remember, they go in your lunch, not mine. It is. So put the lid on it. So even if I do bite it, y'all, I will only be biting from one side because one side is burnt at the top. She would not be biting that side. You can talk in your normal tone. I can't really hear you up here on Rican. This is what we came up with. Can y'all see that? And I'm sorry, I usually use my black plates, but I can't find one. See, it's burnt on this side. But anyway, I ain't had no real crunch in a minute, so we're going to try that out. Y'all excuse me, I got a little crook in my neck. Doing some physical therapy, and we don't know yet if that's making it worse or better. But anyway. Ow.
I ain't understand what he did.
Anyway, I'm back, y'all. Even though it's a little burn, I made some really good chunks, but this how serious the how serious cornstarch is as far as the taste that it takes on the stuff. Saturday when I did the soapbox challenge, or Friday whenever I did it, I wrapped it with my bandage. The bandage then took on the smell of the soap that the box that it had on there. When I did this last night, I wrapped my Argo Laundry box in that same bandage. And I noticed that it had the smell of the soap on it. These chunks, yeah, they smell and taste like that soap box I did. But And it's just as intense as I did it in the soap box just because of that bandage. So I may keep them on though. Good crunch. They got a real good crunch. Hand me a spoon, please.
A little one.
Yeah. But yeah.
If you got to get that little bit of plate at my house.
What little plate is your house?
Got a little bit of spoon.
Oh yeah, I like them little
I
spoons.
don't play with that. I don't play with these little things. These two little.
That's my mama, y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna take some of that on camera for y'all, but I nick her.
Yeah, y'all. I'm a starch eater too.
She'll start eating and swallowing. Now, I'm telling you that you don't want that. It's Argo Laundry.
Oh, I don't eat laundry.
I tried to tell her. And since she gonna swallow, she never even had a chunk before. Said she ain't with that. But I made something without the laundry, she gonna eat it. Anyway. Y'all, I ain't gonna say it's all of us or all of them. But y'all can ask some real personal questions, say some real personal stuff. So somebody's gonna do a question and answer session with you. Be careful what y'all say. Everything just ain't meant for right then. But anyway, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I only had this maybe once. And I didn't care for it. I didn't even chunk it. I think I gave it to her. Didn't I give you the last chestnut hill I bought? This camera here, I got this chestnut hill.
Yeah.
She liked it okay. She liked her club though. But her favorite, y'all, like you hear what she said, Surefire. That's the only reason why I'm not doing the challenge with her today, because I know that Surefire is her favorite. And
That Surefire so good to make you diabetic.
but that's her favorite. As soon as I get that on deck, I'm gonna do that.
That
Do you know your
Surefire
storage
good.
challenge with her? Because she swears she know the difference between Surefire, her club, and Yellow Box Argo. She told me I can't put the Argo Laundry now, but I am. And trust she gonna know the difference. She's gonna know the difference.
Surefire so good I cook.
I've been getting a lot of crazy comments on my videos lately, especially the one with the most views. I get the craziest comments on them, but you know what? I just been deleting them and then blocking the people because I don't got time. See, this don't even. It look cheap. Now this Chestnut Hill Boxford Hill may make Chestnut Hill redeem itself. I was about to say it tastes sweet, but I did just have some juice. Now I'm gonna get a spoon of this and look at this and compare it to that, because I know that right there look. I can't even. Y'all see this have a totally different look. This I'm gonna have a smoother look, and that Chestnut Hill got a grainier look to it. This my baby good. This is bae. Even though she's still bae. The Argo Yellow Box still tastes better. Spit cup on that. Something to drink. I just thought I'd show y'all. Whew. But anyway, y'all, that's it for now. I might be back tonight. If not tonight, I'll be back tomorrow with the video on this chestnut here. I'm gonna chunk some of it, and then like I said, tomorrow, the next day, I'm gonna do you know your storage, love and storage challenge with my mother being my participant, and maybe I'll let her do me too, but I don't know. Because I feel like I have the. No, I'll probably be able to tell it. But anyway, y'all be sweet. About to take these meds, give me a shower, and it's a wrap for tonight.